Is it science homework? Yes, it is. Alright, I'm too lazy. Too lazy to go up the stairs. Yeah, we have stairs. My eyes. The floor's really hot. Yeah, this is about movement. So let's begin. First, let's get a turtle, for example. Alright. Now, how could I get you out? You might not see. Okay. That was tricky. I had to hold it with my left hand. And you're all gooey too. Blech. Let's get this started. Move the turtle up. Don't kick it. Don't touch the string. Alright, so this is a test example blueberry. And yeah, it's really blurry since it's really bright. So the air resistance, since this is a slow turtle, the air resistance will be this small, as you see, and the gravity would be pushing down on the turtle about this hard. Yeah, there you can see it better. And once again, the upthrust of this turtle is actually pretty small depending on its weight. Alright. See, the upthrust is real small. Don't go that way. Alright, just testing the camera. Oop, did it show my face? No. So yeah, turtles are really lazy. So yeah, small amount on the gravity is this small. The air resistance would be this much, and the upthrust would be about this much. Yay, that's the turtles. Let's go wash them because they're all sticky. I don't even think about the clothes. Now let's go spray the turtles with water. They're probably being scorched. Whoops. Now where is that? Oh. Alright, I'm going to just drop this over here. It's just a marker pen. Alright, nice and cool. Oh, you're visiting Raspberry's house and Katya. Yeah, we're just going to spray the turtles. It's soon turning summer, so yeah. I really need some nice cool water too. Yeah, and also, I might be, okay. It doesn't actually matter if I shoot this in the water, because really, this is waterproof camera. Okay, I went soaked enough. Even soaked myself. So yeah. Nope. That's all about how movement is. Yeah, so that's it. Great. My camera's wet.